how to add fixed objects to the game in Unreal Engine 5. And when characters move to the red ball, this red ball just started. When characters move to the blue ball will move away. And as the characters move to the yellow ball will floating away. Character move to the green ball will flying on the sky. This is for different situations in this project. So I need to select all of them and delete it. And now I will add the sphere. Press the hotkey N to snap to the ground. And now I play it. And you can see this is the first situation. I don't do anything. And now I will turn on Simulate Physics. And I play it again. You can see this character move to this sphere, and this sphere will move away. This is the second situation. And now I drag it down, and I will turn off Enable Gravity and drag it up. The next thing I will lock position Z value. I play it again. And this character moves to this sphere, and you will see this sphere is floating away. This is the third situation. And the last situation is I just uncheck this position. Uncheck it. I play it. Run to the sphere, and this sphere is flying on the sky. Yeah, because it don't have any gravity. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.